Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question, not found in your textbooks. What approach would you take to measure the temperature increase in a lake when some of the water is used to cool a nearby power plant? So if we look at this free body diagram, this is probably more closer to what we expect. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. So we are taking some water from the lake to cool a power plant. Okay, so summary, we need to account for the water going in and water going out of the lake, and then we measure a sample size when we know there is a control volume. So we can dive a little bit deeper. To analyze this, we need to select the control volume. So we need to account for all forms of water going in and going out, the inflow and outflow. Here are some examples of both inflow and outflow. Rain on the lake, evaporation in the lake going into the air, seeping into the ground, so the lake water seeping into the ground, and springs supplying the lake with water. So those are the options. We account for all the water, and then we can take a sample size and then measure the temperature increase of the lake. So before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video on your PC, just in case it gets taken down. However, I am meeting all the copyright requirements, or if my channel gets taken down for other reasons. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, there is a equivalent of snipping tool. On PC, it should be on your taskbar, or you can search it in the search Windows bar. So once you have your snipping tool, click on video options, click on new, left click, drag the rectangle and cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then replay the video, or click start, wait for the countdown, then replay the video. Once it's done replaying, hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends if you want to. Well, since this is a made-up question, your friends won't be able to find it, so definitely share it with them. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.